And this ain't like this ain't no baby oil. This ain't no baby oil. It doesn't feel really too oily at all, even though, man, look, you go get touched by the cold one time with some lotion on. I guarantee you turning ashy in 1 second. This one I'm telling y'all, natural shea butter is decent for the skin. I'm telling you, if you melanated, that Up Next multi-purpose beanie. And so what this gonna do is, it's gonna keep your haircut out the way. It's gonna keep it fly. It's gonna keep it right. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey man, say man, look. We got the shea butter. You feel me? We got the natural shea butter. You know what I'm saying? And no, this can go on your locks, but it don't go on my locks. I'm gonna just keep it 100 with y'all. I could put a coat on my locks right now for y'all if y'all wanted to see those type of results, but I really need a detox, so I really been prolonging the detox, been procrastinating. So yeah, man, I'm about to show y'all this, but of course, man, you know, I gotta butter up the skin too, you feel me? So in the morning, I butter the skin up, you know what I'm saying? Feel me? Add the glow to it, you know what I'm saying? When you in the sunlight, when you outside, you just be glowing. Niggas be like, oh, why he got that type of glow? You know what I'm saying? But I'm giving y'all the sauce. But let me go ahead, instead of putting like lotion and stuff like that, like I don't really like using lotion. It really feel like lotion just dry out my skin faster. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. But getting into the hair review, getting into the hair thing, of course my haircut do look like it's probably about a week old. I'm not gonna cap to y'all. I just got this haircut about what, when? 4 days ago? Actually like 2-3 days ago, 2 days ago. I wanna say 2 to 3 days ago. So I just wanna help y'all, you know what I'm saying, keep it fresh. Of course, man, if you got your locks out, if you got your hair out, you definitely gonna wanna go back over your fade, you know what I'm saying? Not too much over your hairline per se with your hands, but the fade, you feel me? The fade, man, it's all about the fade. Of course, it's all about the hairline too. That's why we got the Up Next multi-purpose beanie. You feel me? For multi-purposes. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? Multi-purposes uses only. You can take a regular brush too. Feel me? But only thing that I'm doing, I'm just brushing. Man, I'm brushing that fade over. Like I was just telling y'all, it's all about the fade. I'm brushing the fade over too. You know what I'm saying? But of course, if you just been laying on your head, you know what I'm saying? Then I got dreads too, so when I laid on my head, the dreads would just kind of mess up the hairline and things of that nature. So you gotta watch out for that too. But other than that, y'all gonna be straight, man. Y'all gonna, you know, you gonna be straight. You gonna look like you just went and got a cut yesterday. I'm just chilling in my bath. I like my bathroom. I know my door open, bro. I'm still trying to move in. Nigga been up playing 2K, I'm still trying to move in. I might drop these videos on y'all today. So I get some shea butter and I go across my face too. Not the hairline, the face. And this ain't like this ain't no baby oil. You know what I'm saying? This ain't no baby oil. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't feel really too oily at all, even though, man, look, you go get touched by the cold one time with some lotion on. I guarantee you turning ashy in 1 second. So this one I'm telling y'all, natural shea butter is decent for the skin. I'm telling you, if you melanated. You guys look at me, they like, damn, boy, you still look like you they say you look like 17. No, I'm not 17, shawty. My baby, I'm not 17. But nah, so what you did right there, you basically highlighted your hairline. So now when I come down, you gonna see like a little ash around the head. It only makes sense. The spots that you don't put the shea butter on is low-key gonna look ashy. I'm not gonna cap it out, cause it works so good, you know what I'm saying? So, but this does perfect for the hairline, for, you know what I'm saying, the overall cut. The last step, boom. Yeah, that upnext multi-purpose beanie. And so what this gonna do is, it's gonna keep your haircut out the way. It's gonna keep it fly. It's gonna keep it right. You know what I'm saying? Feel me? Ah, man. Sometimes you gotta, if you got locks, right? So you can't just put your locks like any type of way. You know what I'm saying? You really gotta put it how it was, how we want the hat, the styler, cause this really a styler too. It's multi-purpose. You know what I'm saying? So however you want your hair to be styled when you have it down, I want mine out my face though. And I need it even. I'll go right down the middle. So I'm gonna have like a level platform on my head, so it won't look so lopsided. My hair won't. I got so much hair, bro. It could look lopsided. I don't know. So now it look all even across the board. Now it's a cleaner, you know what I'm saying? It's a cleaner style. It's a cleaner look.